Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Endo means inside. Plasmic, it means inside the cytoplasm. So the name endoplasmic. Reticulum means network-like structure. When you see the structure inside the cytoplasm, it looks like network or reticular structure. So the name endoplasmic reticulum. We can call it in short as ER. E stands for endoplasmic, R stands for reticulum. Who coined this name now? There must be someone who gave the name endoplasmic reticulum. His name is K.R. Porter, Keith Roberts Porter, in 1953. What is the definition of endoplasmic reticulum? It is network or reticulum of tiny tubular structure. Tubular means a tube-like structure. How the tube looks the same way, it is a tiny tubular structure. Okay, it is network or reticulum of tiny tubular structures scattered in the cytoplasm. They are found inside the cytoplasm. So once again, revise the definition. It is network or reticular of tiny tubular structure. They appear like a network. They are very tiny and a tube-like structure like this. They are tube-like structure. Where it is present inside the cytoplasm. Now if this is the cell, there will be nucleus in it. After that, whatever space you can see, that is cytoplasm. In that cytoplasm, all other cell organelles are present. Now, whenever ER is present, say in animal cell, endoplasmic reticulum is present. They divides the intracellular space. Now, what is intracellular space? If this is the cell, inside the cell, whatever space is there, okay, except a nucleus, whatever space is there, that is intracellular space. This endoplasmic reticulum, because of the presence of this endoplasmic reticulum, intracellular space of the cell, that is inside the cell, whatever space is there, they are divided into two. Okay, luminal, it means whatever space is inside the endoplasmic reticulum, that space is called as luminal, and whatever is outside the reticulum, that is called as, say now this space, this is called as extraluminar space or extraluminal space. So because of presence of this endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, that gets divided into two, luminal and extraluminal. Luminal means inside the endoplasmic reticulum, extraluminal means outside the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Now coming to the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. See the structure carefully now. Endoplasmic reticulum, this whole thing is endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Now if you see, there is a nucleus. Attached to the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum arises. So they are attached to the nucleus. And if you see, I have drawn it in different colors and structures are different. So there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum. You can see the structure. This is the structure. Another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This tube-like is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which actually give network-like appearance. And you can see ribosomes also, only attached to the rough ER, that I'll discuss later now. Okay, now you see it is a single unit membrane structure. What does this mean now? Single means only one membrane is there. There is no double membrane like this. How nucleus is having, how mitochondria is having, such double membrane is not there. So they are single unit membrane structures. Okay, there are three types of structural components. The structural component of endoplasmic reticulum, there are three types. First type you are going to learn is of cisternae. Cisternae, you can see the picture here. I have drawn the picture here. Cisternae, they are flattened, they are flat, okay, they are not cylindrical, they are just a flattened tube like a structure, appears like a tube but they are flat. Unbranched, nothing like branches doesn't arise, okay, they are unbranched. Arranged parallelly means one after the one in parallel manner. They don't intersect, they are arranged parallelly facing each other. Next structural component is vesicles. Can you see here? Rounded structure. Okay, these are vesicles. Whenever packaging is done, after that, whenever it has to release something, release protein, release lipid, they will pack in this vesicle and release it out. They are oval membrane bound, means they are covered by a membrane. They are oval membrane bound structure. Their diameter is around 50 to 500 nanometer. Next comes the tubule. These tubules actually give reticular structure. You can see here the structure itself. They are forming network like structure. These give the appearance tubules. Okay, they can be branched also. Diameter is 50 to 100 nanometer. Branched means, see here, from one tubule another tubule is arising like this. Because of this branched substructure, they give reticular network appearance. Okay. Next is types of ER. Mainly there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, another is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. First we'll see about smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, see the structure here. This tube-like structure in pink I have drawn, they are smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now you can see here they appear smooth because there is no ribosome in it. They doesn't have any ribosomes. Ribosomes are absent here, and also ribophorins. I will tell what is ribophorins. Where it is found, mainly this smooth endoplasmic reticulum is found in glycogen storing cells, muscle cells, adipose cell which store fat, and leukocytes, our white blood cell. Okay. Next, coming to rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum have rough walls. You can tell now why it is having rough walls. Mainly because of presence of 80S ribosomes. Now in ribosome there are two types, 70S and 80S. Eukaryotic ribosomes are always 80S. So 80S ribosomes are present attached to the membrane. See in the structure, this structure you can see here, red color structure, they are ribosomes which is of 80S type. Ribosomes are 80S type. How they are attached? I told you that time, ribophorins. Okay, how antenna is receiving the signals. Same way, these are receptors which will help attach the ribosome, help to attach the ribosome. Remember this point, is very much important. Ribophorins. Now functions. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth. Rough endoplasmic reticulum mainly concerned with the protein synthesis. They are mainly concerned with protein synthesis, and also helps in formation of nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope means the like outer covering of the nucleus. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, also I am calling it as SER. They are also called as SER. They are mainly concerned with lipid synthesis and steroid hormones, lipid like steroid hormones. They also help in detoxification. Detoxification means removal of waste materials or any drugs, chemicals from our body. Okay, quickly we'll revise endoplasmic reticulum now. Okay. Now you all know why the name endoplasmic reticulum. Mainly the name endoplasmic reticulum comes because endo means inside. They are found inside the cell. Where exactly? In the cytoplasm. Reticulum means they appear as network-like structure. So it is endoplasmic reticulum. Who coined this name? It is Keith Roberts Porter in 1953 coined the name endoplasmic reticulum. Definition is like network or reticular tiny tubular structures found in the cytoplasm. Now whenever there is endoplasmic reticulum present, they are dividing the cell into two. Okay, intracellular space of the cell into two, that is luminal and extraluminal. Whatever space is present inside the endoplasmic reticulum, that we call it as a luminal. Outside is called as extraluminal. Next we learnt about the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. In the structure you can see three types: cisternae, vesicles, and network like structure, reticular structure. Now first cisternae, they are flattened unbranched structures, while vesicles are like this, round structures or oval structures. Tubules are network like structures. Types of endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can see in the picture, pink color is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is not having any ribosome in it. This structure is rough endoplasmic reticulum, which has ribosome in it, so they appear rough. Rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesis of proteins. Smooth helps in synthesis of lipids, steroid hormones, and also detoxification. Okay, friends, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.